fie du ngotwe akwan beba ma akotwere wutin na efri samre no ombe the friend nationwide exercise and obu an voter ID ayira no akwaje fufuro entitie me omodi we be to dwa May 7th na voter ID ayira hwe no wankoso akotwere wudin ukose ukotwere wudin a ebe double registration edu ombe yi udin afiri mutumi nto aba ni bi voter ID ayira atwen omoye registration ni wi a na wo wakoho ombe bie danatum May 30th say wow registration a voter ID na ayira no brand replace ma ukona ba odi na ombe computer no odi wo bibia wo register ne ayefo fraba ho mo bebre maso odin ne di ayira no ye registration no afa no asako register ye friend double registration na so be so obakro no ombe yi udina firim eti on the day of election no card no kraye mo ye be chompo a criminal to register double enti mo nhyane so information we ebe o man shane say o mo the 56 days ebe public education from April 1st to 26 May ombe kasa akere Ghana for aba ye guso register kra no mo ye dey omo bodawro wasede se woto aba ye wasede se wotro udin na udin ba electoral commission register nim ombe ni nyina na de omo so ombe sa ye ni omo the provisional voters register no by July 9th to 18th omo the member parties no provisional voters register no ne say omo tro omo din nyina no omo de ma NDC MPP IPP hwan afafanto se omo go hem ento omo so be gi akohem no omo hunu nipa dodo a asante mantem omo register ya omo to aba no omo hunu nipa dodo a o Greater Accra constituency omo ye say polling station omo ye say se de be omo so be hu kwan ya omo sim so ni omo akasa no omo hu kwan a nipa dodo omo be nya free portamo electoral commission say July 9th to 18th now asa mount exhibition here dey kohe se udini wo mu a kone kohe bo mu bebre dru ha wonko anko edu obetra wonu ma afi election day no cause yes ni din wa ukwa polling station awoto abakra abohu polling station udin wo enti ye kase ye koto aba anya afi na ebia polling station 3 ukwa hanom udi lie so edu honom obi ato yes udin nim kobi kohwe ne ade dabi ye friend exhibition of voters register and no ye July 15th to 24th shenenso enti final voters register no a political parties ni benya idea dance say ye di obi ade ama no ye August 30th up to September 5th ombe printed do obi Ghana for omoto abeye nyina obi ade mema no na samre nu mu no na electoral commission omoso ombe bibi e friend political parties frame and no your friend let the citizen know ade a series omokwa no omo the citizens no ye ne eto abeye no mu di nkomo no mo kire ne ade and say ni nyina ko wie say electoral commission aye krado say the obeyance special voting afi we beba so 2nd December it is how your centronia edu onum na special voting obekọ akoye obi a obakọ cover wa Asante region bi obekọ Brahafo obi a obekọ voter region bi obekọ Northern region ebi Asante region akwa bi obekọ Atwema Tokrom baby na akọ register 2nd December a special voting enti edu ha na wo di kan koto aba aprosifo beto professionals be doctors minimum nurses be on the 7th say oye na bi ba omunya kwan bi ombehwe nipa ne ade no omo so akoto omaba ti professionals e be special vote na ma central for military prisons police any omo akani nyina no omo twere mu din atu abawia na esili ano ne de akosi ho 7th no ye kan ya ne akan ne free 18 na ne akan ka ho Electoral Commission say no, the RTN say, ordinansa, video will declare Nansan or the declare results no. Etinya Fena, Yatua Baby Anopa, Electoral Commission may declare, oh, may way, Jamen Sam Peso Bayan from so Abe Bo, as a figures bear me and son. Now, the Obaviano de Akoko to Akakase, 2020 Humbi, NDC Koko, Thompson Jamen Sam Bano, Ahodomi and son. To make said the MPP de winning, and yes, a monster farm the Emra, hey, and in then one penny said you, Nina say, a dano drew ye 2 about 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Sompa FM. Now you have a bar na gun and Nibia who do win here. And to Maya, I would think I say, Electoral Commission check. Now, amount for social media, I assume movie up anyway, be a team man pressure or the Draco Nami, Nunami, and Santi. 3rd day, no sooner my dear, and I'll be to my casa. And you know, I don't know. Until you're 12 about 7th, the final results will be declared by the Electoral Commission, who is the returning officer of Ghana, on the 10th. And who we are could do fufu. Could do bem, could do more. 7th Maya, how 8th, about 10th, nay, Yamedria, maybe I'll be worried. Yam pep, a fear and panic, Bia or Ghana. Until 12 about 7 December by 10th. To by 10th, no never run off, so they are run off here December 27th. To bro, you need to know star be. Why did I age them? Namia Maya wa da Electoral Commission. Everton Safre parties in our IPAC meeting. Normal transfer day. Edding Como. Na Yasha de Ebekoso. Na Mamene Deputy Director of Elections, Madi, and the train Como from the side of the National Democratic Congress. Madi Mimoachiano pay.
Me do so.
Now, to say.
I don't know.
We have some information I have about election Ekoso. Now, Edika Medical Busa Thursday IPAC meeting no Yaton Safremo.
Me never Kenya went here for and play. Yes, I invite political parties to IPAC on the 7th of this month at 10 a.m.
Okay.
Agenda no say e ko discuss 2024 calendar.
Okay.
The Ensaka Sakratano.
Name calendar no de Monsankai.
The calendar no de Monsankai because Kratano by only Kratano fina ida kotinase ombebo because the same thing and we this year January ubekaya if share IPAC January. Now the same agenda ya no my and I'm going to raise the issue of the month and date we discussed then before we came to this point. At that time, our information actually said no more calendar, but the calendar was to November. Okay. But because they didn't share with us, that's why we are also going back now to discuss. So whatever thing I will say, our Bonte Electoral Commission put in outside a young proposal. But we are yet to meet as a party, as an IPAC, to discuss is it feasible to do it and not yet feasible?
Because one of the calendars we've chanced upon, I didn't come on September 24th to now mobile balloting. Me cry me tell me say and then I say I bend do because notice of poll there and Caribbean a bad time said the bear Caribbean. Na man for a creative be asie ho esro ho ne ade and our elections most of the time 2020 2016 fourth republic yeah a man temana.
Okay, for your electoral process now September have been almost the times be nomination and final of nomination.
Okay.
September.
That's right.
Until September, October, November, December. Then to go to elections.
Okay.
And the nominations, that is when the time usual Electoral Commission open nomination.
Now, man, for
it's the time the Electoral Commission now accepts you are a candidate.
Okay.
Yes. It's a proposal, it is within the times now more the corporate elections.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not just a yawada there. In Kratana Monsa Cancer Mumbrano Mobeko.
Oh, Yamia do Rebecca. Okay. Rebecca and any more discussions to know. The Ebebwa Omanhene na Electoral Commission no. Ebedie to me. Name was so ebetre the NTIM na Ade Akye the system now running. It is good. Say this is the time say even though it was so late, but the calendar now but because 2 months. But the most serious activities, which is May, no more can
yes.
Which means there was March, April, May. Wow, March even I want to know me.
I March,
then May, you have registration.
Yes.
And it's the most important exercise than anything. Most important. This could have been, you have been worked around it for 4 months before you get to this point. But as a political party, as an NDC, we knew, said, surprise is better elections, so we are working towards it.
Okay.
But these are the reasons I can't say, release these calendars early for us to be able to look at it. We may end up agreeing on the May issue on the registration. But practically on the ground, May is not the best for registration.
And reason here say?
Reason is a time in Soto, especially in the northern area and the Bono area. In Soto, too, a catching of people from their communities to the registration center.
Okay.
If you check our pattern now, in Soto, this area heavily, and think of cross the areas in Korea Ade. So it could have been, if the country were Bantema, it could have been better done in April.
Okay.
Oh, so that when we get to ready season, the documents you're going to in office work, but mark it on the wall. If you accept the May issue, you will find out many people will be cut off from going to registration center during registration.
To register.
Especially when limited registration, we are not doing at the polling station.
Akoya districts, no.
Districts, I believe this time around they will add more centers. I want to believe.
Okay.
They will add. Okay. Because experience now I'm going through the last registration, and it could be I'm warm. They know. I'm warm.
Yeah.
And we made a case, and we know, I am aware, and we are aware, say, they have some memo around that almost officers say, Munshare, maybe other centers, I can't sentence used to be the last registration, no? They are working on that one.
Okay.
So we know. But even with that, these are the things that we may face. But we will make reasons around it. When they accept it, if we don't, we'll move on with them to go as we're going. But we'll make sure that every Ghanaian will have the opportunity to register when the registration comes out.
All right. Madi Jibril, Meda Asiano Pay was when you're brain Makasa. Okay, Madi Jibril, Deputy Director of Elections, NDC, and then Yomochunkomonom, the producer, Person Kone, Evans, Imakobe Chinkomono, Chese, Ombesomoko, IPAC meeting, the Bansa, and Archinkomonti, Sunday, I made it to Nimonano, and one on May. Untro dia sisi obako tro din sanso so na July obako hese udin wo mu a na afei de aka no de aye party no aprobo mbebo December 7th afi we Ghana be call abato ye 2 year Electoral Commission de nonsense wo betoto ne niema na ode aba no abade wanwi se obi antime anya first round da 27 December Ghana for be sakoto ababio. We hope say they will give us the opportunity to celebrate our Christmas. Last year Christmas I said uncle yes a few years say you didn't ye pa mama ni nkomo e wa ha no mom MC Asebu atenase na yen hwe bam. Many are to say
now go proud of my
it is a weekend na ye.
Oh na ye.
The doba dia say
come up.
Doctor so ho ye pa.
Oh nya go proud of.
Ya na kwa wa chia na mame.
Me pa cho wa.
O hwe me so a me chia na.
And you heard then they ho.
Mami tie wa no pay.
You ma nya go pa insha o pa. ene anopai na ye de enchia ebe free Dr. Ba aso ye edi ama yahwefo ene yetiefo enyina se nyankopon ya adom na eda edwoada se ebedura eya na ye wapomuden ho asem na ya na ye be kire oba bia yare na adokro wo no yare na woje ho anye no yare na obi ase ye kwankro no yare na nipa bebre nim sa ase no eno na Dr. Ba se yare a nipa bebre je ho akini se we die nko no eno na opese wo kire wo se ahaban ya nyankopon bo ma nipa da sani se mfensa ho yare no wonu na ehunu se de esi kye no de sa yare entu de beduru a yare ni nyina beko ama won so ho ato ye kekeka enye yare ba kope yare bi e wodin e wa asase su bia no se obo ho moden na de yare ni be pie Dr. Ba ho a yensu e benya adaje ni yensu aboye ho moden ni e de ahaba ya kan ama sa yare no afiri wo so enti abra nyina ye ba ya ne ye pese woje ye number no se de be ya ubetimi de wani akire Dr. Ba yaso ye na afi uba na ubeje ahoto ene ayaresa kan ye number na ye didi djuma eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 number ya media to joy eye Dr. Ba number ye didi djuma se wo re Dr. Ba ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo Kumase atonsu agogo aban hospital kese esiwo na chi ana Dr. Ba ewo mesrauti nie pa wudu hospital nanimu a wodi ebuso obi ojan obi ase okọ Dr. Ba aso ye wada wo mbekyerew enam yenwuma panti ombekyerew amoaba ana ye wo bi wo enkran Spenters 18 junction and also taxi rank bi o wodi obusa omo KFC also obusa omsa okọ Dr. Ba omo ado beko so beduro no omo hye ba heba ye t-shirt ewo ho mesofo ani kire ho ena no pay am no atrance ye bedi nko mesrew anopay fa bag na fo ani kire atonso ago Dr. Ba na nkasa ete ho a ohwe nipa eyare enti so pese hu doctor na nkasa eneda yai watrance ewo Kumase atonso ago mesrew fo ni kire ho na koto doctor na nkasa na ni nkomo mesrew ye trance say ya dane da nyina de nipa bebre etie eye ba ye kan Dr. Ba eya na nya bibia ho eya na ye wudompe ena okase abrabia nyankopon bo nipa da sani no wo bo bia dum achade a wode che obia enti ebidia ya nwomto ebidia bebre almighty we need the morning show no wo ye no se wo tena se wo ya wutia na ho ato se fom ebi se ye die nyankopon de adom no enti Dr. Ba so de ye se yare na ha wo dompe ena okase mu no obeba ne ye de ahaban ahwe yare enti abrabia ya ne ye pese hu se yare enye fans yare enye japade ena de eja obi yare enye de ede mu obi se je to me ho na me kwa ba abaje obi enu obaje ana wudompe na okase ne se wo de kogoro medamase ne se ya nipadua no waka fom na te hu nyina ba ye woden enti Dr. Ba se ade a wonim ye enim hwe eye dompe ene kase ene yare ewu nipadua nim enti dani den nyine nkrofo bebre ebre ewo mu dompe ene omo kase ho but so wunya adaje de wani kire Dr. Ba obeka kire doctor say mi dompe afidie emu ye me emu tutume efise na me no kase awokra ma ehye wom enso still obi dompe mu ewe no echese sasabro afeni padua ni nyina na sasabro yale eye rheumatism ade ya na mani ye hu ni se etimi be hye wo ha na be hye wo ha na be hye wo ha edwane baabi bebere enti no bete wo se ade ya be hye me ha ma me ha ya me ya no bete wo se abe hye me ha ni nyina ye sasabro therefore abani padua nim mesel entraw abla Dr. Ba ho emma sasabro rheumatism enyi wudompe ene wo kasa emoso emma wudompe enhuna mane abra wo benya Dr. Ba enti na de make chon say sasabro na woje nwachini a wode da bia wodi tifie se eyabusua yale ye fie de sasabro ma menka se bi nchew wo fie na woto abusua na awom no obi ayeye se etwom unsu unyeye adenti na wonde waye ne bepem na unyeye eno chese nyankopon bo obia ni padua nko enti se yale bi ti ni padua no so a eya ahwehwe de obehwe wo no obeya ma wo na gya de wo de hye wo no emwa fisa abusua no obi anya sika wonso otewa wunya sika ni bi eno chese yare ne nya abusua eduro na enyenyaye enti sasabro a nipadua na wo nipadua mu fa wani kire Dr. Baho enne me ka che say arthritis yare na enne wo sori a no wa aposo ye oya obi otwa ne kon antwa obi opagya ne nsem pagya aponi nyina ye ne ya emututu no oye ne ho hwe nyeye eno na ya ne ye ka che say arthritis na ewura wo kasa mu ewura nipadua no ewura wo dwanche no a say gregre no wo nipadua no ema kasa etwi kasa no Dr. Pasi anu ye ni nyina wo ne nchen efise ono na atena se enim se de didi aban esa yare enti nye ho akini waposo ni nipadua na ye oye ni nyina no enipa ba ko wo se omo adwene si so edeba ne ho ebesa yare ma no mani nyina firi so eye Dr. Ba ewo kumase atonso agomesrew waposo ye oya wo dwante ye oya wonu muro wo kroma nyina bia gu yam ada ne dan nyina nkɔ no mesrew o fa yare foforo na ama ho tieniye pa emfa wo pen kwoto aduro obi o na me kasai onko school bia ye de twere aduro so no twere aduro ama ne ho ama ne bag mu nyina ye ma enso ne yare enkoi wo de fa yare foforo ama ho Dr. Bassey saa de na ye wo waposo obi twa ne kon wantwa wo dan ne dan nyina wo se madam kon so abeso na ti ni nyina no ni nyina bra Dr. Baho na ye hwew enne obi ne to ase ntini twene den enne ne to ase twene pa aso na abeso ne nantu ne nantini nyina wo ye ne ho hwe nyeye de make a choice say wo to asintin na etwetwe amen na wo bobena ni nyina no Dr. Bassey fu ani kire ho na no so ye hwew ena me no wo kase obi dompe ne kase emu abu a wo ye no wo hwe enye mesrew abere nyina doctor say emfa wo kase enkogoro medamase emfa kase enkogye akini emfa kase enkohye obi nsa ema ne nkose kase no efise nipadua no dompe ne kase na no ne ye de nam asasi so enti se wo de wo kase no ekotratra baabi ema obi se na etire bi nyankopon bo na wuni dam but wo kasa aware ni yente bema dam die abanipadua ne ho mesrew ene obi kasa ho atechema ma wanya ba bi amfa ama Dr. Baho ne na ba ko asenefa ene obi nsa akoa ama wotini mu entene wasa kasa na wie Dr. Bassey ense kasa na nsa na waduru no ho ene ya kasa no ho atechema no fo ni kire no fa haban sisi kasa no no ne tibi to kasa de kasa esi ani ema kasa enchia enu nti ho dawuro ana abranya betena fidie so ka kire wo se ye mpese obeyem fomso no wadi dam ewo nipadua ne ho enti wo kasa na ho aka emu abuo no fabra Dr. Baho ena no paya me no wo kasa obi anya adwene mu hawo mesrew obi nya diabetes awope ho aduro na ada na wunua ni nya adwene mu hawa wode na kwotena baabi a enne ye ne noma bebere abra ne ho nso nto no eye yare na aba adwene no ama adwene ne ho aka Dr. Bassey bra no mu adura ebetimi asesa adwene na ye ne ye ama nipadua no yare na aba adwene no mu aba fom ama nipadua no ho ato no enti so oba ye wadura de bama wa obedan nya ne na ho ato obi kono mu adura yare aye ne nso abeye sen sabe no asabe ye jimijimi Dr. Bassey na aduro ntesa enti fa wunua na adwene mu ha no o ma me na wo kasa wo firi se eye no ma bebere bia wo bo ne beye wo ho no eya adwene ne ho aka fa ne bra Dr. Baho ne ehwe no ena me no ka na me ka fa obi a ne kotodwe eye ne ya abere bia ya ne ye ka kire se eno ma ye bobo so aye ka ni nyina se wotu anamon na ba Dr. Ba eya nigye ana ade be firi o efise nipa bebere efira mono ne abepie Dr. Baho abra no mu kotodwe ye dedade ekohyem enso na me no ka se ye de ahaba tutu dompe kotodwe ne so ama kotodwe na awewe ama deda bamu eye nipa ye tutu no ene ye de ahaba ato so ama no mu anyo mfa ho de omu di adanse o Dr. Baho ma me bi ba wo ka chem se me ba enkrofo bebere me ba na Dr. Ba na Dr. ya wo ko no hoi na sika wo kwadwo ma me ne se wono adwene hu no ohunu se yale na eye no nipa na ogina kire kana ebi nye no ya no wote no wonti bi ana ono atu anamo no ba Dr. Baho ena me ne kasa me no kasa ni kotodwa na ye ni ato no ama sika na enkrofo kasa Dr. Ba beje no enum half enum kota enti na me sre obi a wotie me se wo yare na se wo kɔ ba bi akɔhwe wo yare te se Dr. Baho a wo afa wugidie bra fi se nipa kro na wo bɔ wonson no ono yare ne ni pains na wotie no ebi ne nkyɛn enti obetimi aka de opɛ but ono kro ya se wonya saa ya oni bia obehu so wesan ho na ɔde aba Dr. Baho enti anopai fa kotodwe yare ne bra Dr. Baho na yenhwew obi die yesisi yare eye ne ya achim no ama ne ye ne ho hwe enye obi trase na osɔre a na odi dede na sɔre o de benabɔ tena se no de benabɔ asa sɔre me nua da se ni papa ma me a wutie me nyankopɔn a mo nipa sa o se emete yaw e wo nipadua no mu sa eye den a wote yaw na nipa obetimi ahwe wo de ahaban no eye Dr. Ba enti na usisi ni yaw ya ache a wote yaw no nipa obetimi asa wo yere ama usisi na kwa ye boni din eye Dr. Ba fo ni kire ho ne hwe obi ne spinal cord na chi kase no emu abiebie emu ye ne ya woda wona obi di amani mu ako a de ye ka che on se spinal cord yare na ye ka ho asem a mechi kase ye me ya no enipa obetimi ahwede ahaban ahwe won eye Dr. Ba if se nipa bebire kopiepie hospital kase bi e ma ye kase ye be ye omo operation doctors na anum ton ka che omo se ye omo operation e bi ye 50-50 obetimi anante ana obebubu aguo omunya adaje a ye de omo ani kire Dr. Ba ho ene operation bi amaso ye de ahaban atoto ekikase na yare ewo mu no amene omo ato omo etime sretiefo ne arefo se ye oma mi bi na ekikase ne mu abiebie e bi arere oda wona otene a ne nyina no udi bepie Dr. Ba ho a eno ne ye be kire se tumi wa ahabam na de ahaban ne kuta na otimete esa yare no eye Dr. Ba adodo na abo ndi achamfo ba ne nipa bebre gina kire se nyaro nyina bedwane efisa yare de wo ma ne ho so abaabi e bere na se eye Dr. Ba so eye enti ne obi anya typhoid ne ho kire no o de ba Dr. Ba ye behwe ama ho ato obi kidire ho aka eno so o de ba Dr. Ba ye behwe ama ho ato obi de diabetes mesrew bra na Dr. Ba mfa abibidro emma se de be ya o diabetes no ebetimi aba wo sugar no betimi aba normal na enkofa yare foforo bi emre ofise yare efre no sugar no ebe ni padua no so a etimi me ni padua no twintwam etimi me ni padua no kusa etimi ye bibi bebre ewo ni padua no entifo ni kire ho misi stroke na da wo ni padua no ayo ma me wo papa bi ni wontimi nante ne nsada no ho na no achimu a ni nyina no ubo mode de say stroke no ba bi edru bi emfidudu bi adie bia no ubo mode de ba Dr. Ba wa ye behwe ama stroke no afiri ni padua no so ama no ho ato no obi de ye hania enkwei mesi obi de aso no oye no ho hwe enyeyi ofi hania ma na efe mesre obi de sane abeto no hwe onim ni nyina no uba Dr. Ba wa asem a me kan nyina de nyina no enya abrofuduro eya bibiduro uba wo hania no ye behwe ama ho ato obi de eye obi de typhoid ene na sefo Mr. Emre na so yare bia woni paduanum e bia yaka ho asem bia no de ye body di amodi no o de pepa ame hwo Mr. G number no ne emfa kasa ni nyina Emra awieye ena no pen number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 the pacho Dr. Ba Kumasi atonso agwa ban hospital in Nechi enkranso ye was spintex 18 junction Mr. Onano pay Dr. Bati atonso agwo hwe yale bo yale na ye kan ho asam de yanka nyina fa bedan ne ensuamfi ahaban na nyankopɔ de adom yensa wo yare na wiwie na wo kwa ya na de nipa bebre di free Dr. Ba eye ba
okay nyamisha wonso so MC Asebo na hoten Kano. This is a special birthday to my beautiful daughter Chelsea Nyako Abaye, also known as a cha wanya mfie dunai we every opapa Safo Ahojo Oasis of Love area so Oba Memorial Community School and ne opapa Safo USA one omame Irene Safo Abaye omuso omama otrin kwa and your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Chelsea Nyako Abaye, aka Echan. All right. Honorable Thomas Osansa. Now bomb to say. Bibi Aboko. For no southeast is where. Bibi Aboko. Bibi Kama. And only didn't come on now say. Comodino Penibia is independent. What you resolve?
Yeguso.
Muguso. And I'm on the car on Tiasia na pennyfo. Edin come over them.
Yabesha said, my menchia for
Tiaomo.
Na menchia me constituency executives. Your penny name, Papa Chama, could you usu. But she no matcha me police station executives in na. Na me so machia me coordinators. na nananom me wo ho nyina so me chia omo na ni titiriu nana Boakye Adom Kotoko eye edidwamahene
okay
ona me ye baabi ayete ye adwuma nana ne nkwaso nyame nhyira no papa wabo ayen e wo kwa bebre so memra wasem yi so ya hyase ene mpanimfo kasa mpanimfo tu ho anamon se bibia no ebeyedi se ya abato ne yekoye na ya na abato de sansense mu esi no ipiemu a enhyeda nyaade a eyenwanwa bebre ne mumu no se ne obesi abefa obe resolve no na ya na ehia enti ye hwese mpanimfo nyina bebem yegusu aye kasa enra mpanimfo tu anamo bi a mu gusu a wo mu di hu nkomo ti yegusu aye hwe se ebe yield good results the amayen but in whichever way no I want the good people of Afano Southeast to know say we are ever ready.
Okay.
Say you know be abe adwuma.
Okay.
You be ka buma ye adwuma na ya gitumi e di ama NPP ye osono kokuruko no. Enti eno ne ye nyina ye hwe animu.
Okay.
Enti ye bompa ye se bibia besi kama e de ama ye nyina.
Okay. Anope din komo free SHS ade a waban ebo ho dawura obae so wasini PSC nita say bia mompotem ho eden a secondary schools bi ho a mososo ebi ato wo ma wofonom ye kwa pro ya bun se parties no promise ya mapan jo mama say or the private schools class be free SHS. Looking at it now, ebi mo say, hey, private schools, omunyina eba be free SHS is going to absorb the private schools also to free SHS. You see, Abai non kasa ye mono, he spent almost about 5.4 to about 7 billion on free SHS so far. Ghana ye nyina ye wosikasemu. Tebi mo fi say, ya say, promise bia. Intimacy see the light of day. We must say it's feasible because private school for so omo Ghana for ma. It is omo mako school ness aban no adan bebre kra ho ntie ko fa double track by then na obetime to sa na mo no a adan na microphone som. De tosu mienu LGBTQ parliament a pass it. Chance ye hwe ani muso mampani de nsa be hase. The tosomi ensa omapenjo mama yi ni candidate running mate MPP mu yi mu de da ban mo hwehwe no tesan sen na esi ko dumso yesimi enka na sa dumsi esie mo na mo didi na ba mo hoso mu hu bi sa anase mo de mu ntibi kura mo de mo ye okay mo nka na agina so ensemi ne ebobo hu anopa na edi kan no yenhwe free SHS. The president, John Mahama, former president, says he's going to absorb private schools to free SHS. What can I say?
But that's opening. Oh, say, what's a minute? Diana, what do you say about your former town? Would you have your former town? Young for Adrian Quetchy. Mira, Baby Fan to just say, yes, share Kokwasa for Jenny. Okay. And this member on Baba Kayasa. Okay. Young found Quetchy. Na yenhwe emra free SHS. Your president all bontoa na oka ho asem. Na yentie response former president Mahama edimano as at that time. Was it enye yeda? Mikai oka ho asem wan kasa e work husband. Was this a just said 20 years time? And we are Leo Kran, the former minister. And the former South Africa ambassador. Was it just 20 years time? The cancer. So I'm a president. No correct. Yes. You see, I'm a TS, I'm a cancer be na you say, yeah, well, that's MPP. Very good. And omo ka sansem ni wieye no omo adwene ama so da se nia ye hyehye no anase nia president hyehye ne be ko yida now 7 billion has been invested in free SHS. And Kra are benefited 5.5 million.
That's right.
Ghanaians. And are benefited a free SHS. Share unim. Maka semu na mekos waka. Me say in next 16 years no. Any behunu say Fourth Republic President ya Ghana for one sakano any Akufo-Addo and the impact no me say in next 16 years
16
yes years to come.
Why do you calculate 16? Why are you saying this? I don't know this is
16 years to come no any behunu the relevant of what we are doing today.
Free SHS.
Yes. Any behunu say hwe enkwara afa process nim ene say de o mapie mi we Saturday kan JSS mi we JSS no mi tena fie be 3 years
Ade wantwa
mi twai mi nisika mi ma me papa ni sikomode me ko. So we have to stay home and wait. Send your home be wie. And son, I was wako.
Cause you can't say the movie no scanny
ho.
Tobacco di kai.
Edi kai.
To koda bay. To PSHS to one and
there be anto me. Oh me ko wi ansa na eba.
Ko wi
ansa na eba. Enti no. Me de si e ka free SHS ho asem wa. Minim se as at that time no se na nke wo ho no mo a
ka wa mre
ukwa beso wa ho ye kuruma beso wa afo no southeast na ye wo ko bi wo e fe no basket weavers ye nwene kenten unim kenten
kenten
yes ye nwene kenten dakro metima nwene kenten say 15 a day
ai won sa no sa
ai metima nwene kenten say 15 a day
na mo de abakuma si abeton
ye ni ko sunyan
okay
e ho ne ben ye
okay
ni de ko sunyan ni akwa akoton anse de abetwe school fees
ene sa abeson akuro no kwala na nwene kenten no
da bi omo nwene kan na say me nya sure say nkra na di aki ban kro mu nim kenten nwene
o de ma omo kra omo nim
me nya sure
because odo we JHS or course free SHS.
Yes.
Wow.
Omo mu di aki no me nya sure say kenten kra mpu no omo nim nwene what you say but yan no me madam for Steven he say you also so na men chade o chade o secondary school Kofi Poku say you want so no or ye mechanical engineer or Accra ye kokoshe ho no ye kohye ekura bi ase ubako ekura ye kasa ekura on so biti kumasi a ye kasa won kan ekura o se ebia o hwe kuro bi ewo mampon aji ho be no aka o se ekura ye mfe da kura
anu ye kuro na kura no ye say inside the pa
wadru ebia ekuro ti say abeswa no
san wasa dum
ansan wa wom what for from 10 miles
san akoto akura
ansan akoto akura ene yen ye fe na kura na akura be kwase no nipa doso wo hokura mpo ase akura wo de nipa ho pa no ene nipa be 6 na 7
na say nipa wo ho pa tebetima ye wonko na wa ba okura
na wo se obi wo nipa ba ko pe wo ne ne yere se wa bonda kura ni si ho ena wo ne yere ti ho
omo ye afuo
etu omo wo ho no ma weekend so ma ye den
omo ba
kurom Monday anopa no omokọ Friday anwumre no ma be kurom
kane ani ho TV bibia
ni ho
ona na mko hye nwene kenten
ba bisa ne kokọ hye
and now we DC
very good
because of education.
Yes,
ti se wanya bia nkwa
ankade na meye hwe da bibia woni mrewo enne as I said me say ye nuan ma wo mu di achi no kantan wo mu ni mu nwene enti se yen no ya ma wo mu ahunu emfasode e wo free as so a na ye ni pabonefo eti free as de 16 years to come and na ye behunu emfasode a prekufuado e de abreye because yanum bi no we will not sit idle yan tena wo sa akwa em obia keke bia meka se e na free say nipa 5 million hwe woni bibi yemfa e free the year 2000 to 2017 and 2016 yanhwe nipa na omuko school 2000 to 2016 16 years yanhwe nipa omuko school free secondary school na yemfa
2017
to now yanhwe nipa omuko school secondary school and you see the difference. And look at phrases nansen afia kobi hwe enkura no enema wo mode omo nsa aye amma school bi kura wo London say baby no maba be partner wo mo ba be treni wo mo eno o maye dey
aeronautics near the aeroplane nom ne machines ahodo
what you say enti when we talk about this now people start finding they say a mistake now person be bowura mu these are some of the things
na say ganyan from so say private school for
so enye yie eti ese obeka kire yan say no eni Ghana for ntie o ka say enye yie ebe ye kra say 20 years time how 20 years now can am I
and actually o ka say ebe ye ne mom yenye no day ni enfa nkoyanim
o kan sem en small kan ho ye ka say ye twene pamphlet ye twene ne ye de adane pamphlet am no akoye dam kro pass o kan sem bebrebe ni wura bibi but the issue is that o pese o de beka ho o machirim ontimi they say no onam en work cancel onam da bi say bibi also be review nanu ya what say ayi abia adwuma yefo ya to market 23% also be review
Obe review 23%.
Obe review 23% no.
Amete so ka so man animu no ntimi nto akatua but
also obe review na ka ho bi. Obe review akatua no. Every single thing, every single policy that we have in Ghana, this man will review. So if care is not taken,
but is it feasible say obetimi include
feasible
private schools?
If it is feasible, the only person who knows is President Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia. Omonkwa enim se bitime yana zenyi.
Adintra.
Na me kura mpo no former President Mahama, he doesn't have moral right to talk about free SHS.
But it has
something that you spoke against, something you thought it will never come to stay. Adia wa nwene ho da. Adia wudi nipa atem wo ho. All over Ghana. You have some of the audios. Some of the things that he spoke about. As far as free SHS is concerned. We are sure say what that's why moral rights or become free SHS one thing. Say ebeye ya nipa onim eni nipa o hyase. On say okọ Bible mu kura mpo a time na odifo Elijah ko ka say onko hye nkom ema nompe bi enyankwa Ezekiel oduru ho no nompe hu akokwa eni gu ho ena bofo ba ko bisa ne say na nompe hu akokwa yi a obehye nkom enyankwa ebe ye die
ose Awurade na anim ade to kansa to ne bonkasa no enti se benyankwa woni nanim
enti free SHS no se private school baba be shima na ye yi a eye na Ado Danko Akufo-Addo one Dr. Bawumia any education ministers no omo nanim omo nko ananim enye obi fufuro enti se no se obi ahunu nusu wan se ekoba se yeyi endis for koto abayi no o to Ghana nyina a whole year o kan se mienu o pe honeymoon because o ko to no wabre ti eto abayi Emmanuel this will kokko rest for a very long time and san waba na de to so mienu eni se obey 24-hour economy ena wo be wie kura mpu no wo san se ono no ontimi promise aketua ntomu for the next 4 years no be dey obeba no
so the first year
what is first year?
So the first year, no, you will have to look into the books. Or her books, man, no bohu, or sin another say or mine. But the ono who no fi say a bro there, a woho. And in Ghana, former acquiring, especially civil society, civil institutions, no more two or more canale. Or bow over her books, no. Or her books, no man, no
independent.
I'm not defending them, make candy or
Ghana for your wadrin to analyze whatever he says. Whatever he says, Ghanaians are listening. Ghana for tea. Or say, on timing guarantee a kepiantumu. Simple. See. And even that 23% in Ukraine, he is going to review where we and one last ended there. Na Ghana for now mutieno and judge. That's all. Was it free SHS? Enye ye. Where we ena the minister say be ye the minister or represent one who say be ye just the next 20 years. Simple. It's ended. And now it's working. It's Ghana for who nya wo ka ye no. Ghana for who the ka ye no. Wo free SHS wo enjoy bi ewo baby. Wo enjoy bi. Yet be more be asked there be ye. How?
Mama Kokwasa for Jakwaba. Kwaku Akwaba.
Mejoso o mine.
Yes, sir. I'm going to include private schools to free SHS. John Dramani Mahama. Mamintio.
O mine me dase mame fa akonya so na me nchia wahwefo ne atifo. Na me fa nchia PC mfa ma NDC for magibra. Omuti eye Sompa 93.1 ene omo hwe Sompa TV. Omanhene Yaw mama so chiao. One ne ho ka follow di na mama omo se omo chia no adwuma pa o ye wa Asantema mu. Na Omanhene me ba mi tie adwuma di na me se afem. Let me state and put it here on record say Professor Leo Kandelate was never a minister appointed by John Mahama. Kasa, put it in perspective. And the minister. Mahama never appointed Leo Kran. And who correct him? Leo Kran no a spokesperson for Mahama.
No.
Party na ye na ye. They said they are no permit I mean who didn't come on. Until the fact said Leo Kran akwa na dream after free SHS no doesn't mean Mahama adwene. Mahama can dey. And you see this attempt to arrogate free SHS policy no as a brainchild of MPP no cannot watch. Obianim said the first political party to put free SHS in their party manifesto was the CPP. Omanhene meboa. Pakwasi ndu okay. Omo na di kadi ru omo manifesto ma sana President Akufo-Addo kra edeba. Omo de buy so issues are raised here no. Today the reality has dawned on us. Most of them abayanim enkwala omo tete blocks so sunya de Omanhene no bi. Only last year Action Aid Ghana Education Watch a group of credible institutions and international institutions research over 5,000 schools under trees under this regime. 5,000 schools. Omanhene, you not aware say through our research no say enipa kwalabe 1.2 million enya access to education. Enti me betena ma yenye te say ye bia is about
free SHS and that when you free SHS, there is no other problem where we. Omanhene in recent times, enuane a enko on time, onte ho asem. Usho yi so untu one am say de be enuane beko. Enti ye ho so saa se de opeso o kire no. On MPP for person omo ya afa wo nyansa bi kura wo de be boa policy na untimi nka ade no so no eje mo nsam. And if honorable cares to know, Uncle Fa omo ankasa own budget. You see, ye mubi no ya de krata be expose.
Me too.
Omanhene 2022 budget page 57. Page 57. Now read the paragraph 223 into mechanical 223. Oba tie de omo ankasa ban ne kai. Or say relevant recommendation from the ongoing review of government flagship programs under the Public Expenditure Review, which is PER, exercise undertaken by the World Bank will be implemented once the review is completed. And in fact, Omanhene, Omuankasa in their own budget, to say they were going to review all the flagship programs. Okay, so IMF joint statement, the IMF Krabeka say free SHS is good, but there is a problem with the quality of teaching, a whole lot of things, and that even the targeting, you're wrongly targeted. This is the opinion of IMF. This is not the opinion of Jomama. It is not the opinion of Omanhene Yaw. It is not the opinion of Asafoje, and it has been widely published by credible online portals here. And if you have the statement here, IMF say wrongly targeted. Ora President Kufo Adokufo. One raising issues on the implementation of free SHS.
No, 2 years.
And 9 years or no so say be or time MPP ana. No on MPP asem. Omanpani Nana Akufo-Addo no ankasa ni nua. Kenofori atantina City TV nka say ohun die nti ono awoso obi na hwe ne baba no. Members of this government and raising issues about how effectively omu say betimi ni no ma bia wuram ama omu a esefata na omu ni bie no a benefit. So what sad dey way about young gagi obi a yenye it say obi obeka free SHS one asem bia no on pa ade ni yie no. Where from this? Owia ubisa ne say nti say be ni den President Mama any moral right. Now we moral right and ka wo moral right. A moral right and kawo moral right. Mo moral right cross and kamo betu din e Kumasi airport phase 1 phase 2. Mumuni ho de. Omanhene ma copiously Martina this is the document. Any opa read ube hu se munim ho ma che. Ko bie usan bie 2016 annual debt management report. You will see even the Kumasi Central Market captain say any loan in 2016 before we left. KJT ani you kra munim ho ma che. And so, President Akufo-Addo and the temerity to even rename it. What are you talking about? Tama Rollins Ekoji Sika. Yadibaye UDS na momu jina benkuma na nifa. Na nadu jina benkuma na nifa. Today you have renamed it. Uni moral right. Yaka moral right. You know. Nanadu honestly here. You know. Be honestly here. But we're renaming and the buzia. Nanadu moral right to go and rename it. What technical investing? Yes, here nanadu way. But we are renaming no moral right. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? And I keke. You see you EW Kumasi campus. No they abeto appear in kano way. You see University of Education na President Akufo-Addo jina hen. So obi an start bi no obi ni moral right and nanadu moral right so be se di ato apenti appear minka. Mo party nkokrafo na afa de o mo tutu university so o pese wo see university to dia. CBO Tom CB. You don't go about changing names and think that who ye bibi. Enya nanado na provoke me anopa so de mame njai no.
Let's look at Bahama private schools. Is it feasible?
It's feasible. What then is feasible? And Omanhene, it is even highly unfair, and I was so disappointed in the honorable MC saying say yesika sem hwan you see wo Omanhene ebia na wo ba ebikro ni Ghana. But o tax otuo no ebia na ye de hwe nkola na meboa. Enti se obi abie private senior high na watiti mo wrem ebikro akogye aban besia wo. E na Omanhene wo de asi school no. School na wo si ye no the intent nyina ne say wo so be bie access say de be yankola dodo na so be nya kwan na bi ntina fie meboa na say na say the policy bi aba ama poli one MP free Omanhene one MP free bi wo ho mani to an interview some of these owners of private senior high schools e come no mo ye ton bi ajapade because the investment has gone wrong because obi pay free SHS no meanwhile they are also taxpayers they also pay tax na ye deny woman no omo aso tua bi ne de ma enkola afoforo and president Mahama thinks that said ye be ya equity be ya adwuma enti ye mo akonya na extend government support because omo aso tax mind you nkola no a e be kom no so tua an indirect tax nearfo bi nkoma wo mo no mo nyina benefit ya MPP for honorable menyin ni MPP for na eka menyin say nanado kra no sa de we wodwene ho a obetimi aka say obe consider menyin say honorable is speaking the opinion of President Akufo-Addo. I will be highly unfair to say he is speaking the opinion of President Akufo-Addo or Dr. Bawumia.
He has not condemned it rightly say he say Sebasi can free SHS. After all the campaign against it near there, Omanhene Yaw mama sujina simple so kasa.
Nobody, and let me put it on, nobody campaigned against free SHS in principle. What we said, at the time, access was limited. You have
to explain well because to many Ghanaians, the over 20-something or 30 adverts that was shown on TV was to send a message, say, free SHS, and yet there were videos and audios, free SHS 419 we call campaign, adverts, and a box or moko school. It was all over. And you need to explain to TBA. You need to explain it well to Ghanaians and say the motive behind that advert was not to condemn it rightly, but Abia. Certain and near maybe a woman and say because to many Ghanaians, especially Omanhene Yaw mama statement like say me 2 billion Ghana cedis. Ube used to need free SHS. When I have 2 billion Ghana cedis, mean to me free SHS. Probably there was something behind. A reason behind that statement, but Obia Kotu or Omanhene Yaw mama say, "Oh, onyeska 2 billion on fankoye free SHS." How do you explain that?
One medical catch was a Professor Leokran. Ne article.
No, forget about Leokran.
And some NDC 1.4 at the time. Go and read everything. You see, that nobody said any. It was about feasibility at the time. Yeah, if you say, okay, educational structure na see. Base in a kakraka. So you look at primary school, the numbers they churn out yearly from BEC. Now here the number of public schools at the SHS level. Clearly, whether we scale, uniscale, there were a certain number no more betting fee. That's that debate we know why I in terms of even infrastructure, like I said before, finances, any other. So we were looking at the prevailing conditions then. But well, Nanado so kase oba said the city bian obey. And as we speak, wouldn't say the Ensakura Kobo Heritage Fund Mukakra, any idea, which hitherto shouldn't have been the case. And President Mahama who said, Adiano, no matter what you say, Ghana for no epe. Ghana for Ajiatu. And on no say, instead say, Yambo for Trobin and to ho. Now acquire to say a hangy. Onukran or bar, obey better by creating a sustainable source of fund. Because a Ghana yet introduce tax today, and I converted COVID-19 levy. Into SHS levy, free SHS levy. Ghana for Bedia too. The name COVID-19 Kromompe. So that would be a sustainable way
generate income. Revenue, no
revenue. And no the obian just tax we are yetiano. E de kwa free SHS. Every crampo scan door for bet me expand it to free tertiary or even at the basic level, even though FQB is there. You bet me a in ye. You make what you say. Sabe obakwasi am nense sanadwene. Ana meboa. In 2020 it was captured in our manifesto.
Yeah.
2020 it was captured in our manifesto. Sabe she not my MPP fund now create an impression as if among junior education chain abaya because the records do not support that. And last year I would just do this and then wrap up. Last year President Akufo-Addo koshia charge for charge conference. Sa ne speech na widely published. You can check, and I can send you a chronicle published here. I can send you the entire article. And ana all 37 achievements under education. Omanhene MPP entimin tina baabi and compare omo in terms of education MBT NDC da. It will never happen. Mobile mo start free SHS no. Ni asisi adan asiwo no bi aban dia bako and we be senior high schools asiwo and am de be implement policy no. Enu ti se na mobile no obi asi school a aka mobile den. Kamu de obegu nkuko bo ma na say schools under trees. It couldn't have possible. Enti e was some nya ho brase na mutimi so accredit aban fufro meba o mahene me so
one see mama na mama
meta ma so sisi a
pa mama omre pa the same thing am de ma obi a
yeah no rap ba say the wa because baby am person me bowra no
and e bowra on time na say
some time because me person me
and you one train
they be say yes also wa truncate no and to them am 2 minutes na bowra ho na me call no
so omahene in that publication President Akufo-Addo onuma asem otie me wi a me send him we confirm the figures also omo buy omaye a total of 114.5 billion investment in education 114.5 billion oba SHS omaye 1105 projects 1000 take note 1105 projects in total omo buy nyina no omo breakdown also omaye 406 classroom blocks Omaye 386 dormitories.
That's right.
Omaye 233 toilet facilities. And almost 9 newly constructed STEM schools. STEM schools no baku bi afa 3,000. Even though 7 no ma complete, but them I mean say 9 ni na cry functional. Times 9 no e be ma 27,000. Obi ani said the objective to expand infrastructure is to create access.
That's right.
Okay. Now KG President Akufo-Addo say, Omobai no my 1,270 infrastructure intervention, as in libraries, classroom blocks, and all of those things. Omanhene NDC at the basic level alone, KG. Yeah, 1,347 blocks for KG alone. 1,347 blocks, and you rehabilitated 345. Omanhene, me know what yes, I debate we will feed them Kesbin. ABM. Yaba 2,936 schools under trees. Yefra Bamini awarded 2,031 and a complete answer in Yefra schools under trees. Only last year, they say a jump 5,000 by Education Watch, and I can send you the publication and everything. Omanhene Oba SHS. 1,079 classroom blocks. 1,079 classroom blocks. And 189 dormitory. A 2-story dormitories across the SHS. Omanhene Oba Junior High School sir. 1,129 projects ni na complete here before we left. About tertiary, other President Akufo-Addo antimi anka tertiary because only any record to show when it comes to tertiary. About tertiary, you see 3 universities. You has Sompa and then so you have Sompa and Chebidie and at your mo yiko Chebino. Good. Omanhene no dey no to ncha what President Akufo-Addo has sought to do. And he say UDS say we go change the no and CK Tadem University for Technical and Applied Sciences. Me ho na me wie school na UDS wa campus Amaron Sadaroma na esi here. Wasanso akoda ne Davrongo campus Davrongo campus no dey to CK Tadem. Wa campus or dey aye no Dombo University of Business and Integrated Development Studies. Whole Technical University or that and the why and say wa change the na Efremamo Technical University. And na Oko Unea and also so there are 2 Dr. Buzia. And na oba here University of Education with the campus. Why na I can appear minka. And now call you my President Kofo University in OCN. Why no George Grant University of Mines and Technology. That is what he has sought to do. All right. Not a single intervention when it comes to
Mami Brown.
And in fact,
it's okay. As a project, I'll come back to you. I will come back to you.
Just 1 second.
What Choto Mami? I will come to you.
What the time ni na mano krempo a. O se etru anka zanka ni twa ya.
Oh, these are very familiar.
The Pacho as a project, Mami Man. Hold on.
O kasa ni metra hadi.
Mami Tino.
Man kasa. Nine just said your can hear correct.
Mami too.
I was just quiet. And 20 chair, yeah. If you mouth the whole day, you will still use it to lie. Meanwhile, no, now one can't hear. The people out there, they are assessing what you are saying. They are listening. They are listening to everything here. Mamin ka asem kiro onu anaka wo se bi obakwase na nsa na adwene edi se bia fa die mo hunu se asem mo se ma adwene ya mo mega anyinam na mo nko mo ka cha Ghana fo ya fa ni ate ase o obakwase na nsa na adwene mo ma Ghana fo nte ase sa enyam na mka se wan wo na o kan ye wo so obakwase na nsa na adwene edi sa fa ese na ne ye kan de anu ma adwene atim ba bi atim ne de sa time ne de na se bi eye ne o kan ye na edi afa na bia mo hunu se Satam de na mo ye no mo pese mo se free ho de a ene ye no mo ya aware said this was our state but now yate ase say ne ye ka no na ye hunu okasa ya akokofo ayi Kotoka international Kumasi international airport bam you see some of these things no and na make ho asem say munni mo right say kasa hwe Omanhene time a ye kwakate short ewo airport ede na siye omanga so makwa kotu opimso ase ede na nothing is going to happen there. I won't get a statement no.
I will say that
won't get a statement no.
So say omode Santamura kwa kate so she free muma
wana kai Omanhene in fairness on can
me pa chew me
as of day allow.
Oh, Kasano, I was here. I was here.
Me go hard at him.
I was here.
He said.
Nobody said
I was here.
So as a
to who?
I may not be privy. He might be privy. Okay. So when you have your time, you come out and talk about it.
Mr.
He's alleging that you said it. Whether it was MPP or a particular person or kind of money.
I was here. Said the Atamu and I'm Tiaman
Mamintio.
But yes, I'm here to tell me adwumani mu enti eno nya asema me mede me meka me kane e wo se Ghana 40 ne e wo se wo bu hunu na yo mu gina so de to aba en na me ka che Ghana fo wa kwa akoma dan nan sei local government university no
yeah
go and check
offensive
akoma dan mu
what I mean is offensive
yeah offensive enough
the president mentioned it
and you know if you don't have anything to say, you just shut up. Wouldn't be I
think shut up was
me patch on me Christian. Wouldn't be Quanutum. And you are here. What Casano, what can who ask them say? University, President Kufoko go see, and President Kufoko go see ya. I said, be Mamma, they go see ya. A Mamma, they see ya. So when we talk of all these things, achievement in education, and I'm going to say, in next 16 years to come, and I be near Esi Ankasa. I want to buy a cocoa lunch, Eastern region, University, the Okan was here.
Yeah.
What will be a infrastructure center, we see you. Ana refi moko kate sword e wo so manya mu ja hon moko ye no ana refi wa hu
the so manya Kufuado na abesie
bra infrastructure president Kufuado aye no wo so manya no enya de ketwa
okay
local government omu school e wo East Legon kokko hwe infrastructures mo atisa de omu so mabaye Kumasi international airport yi omu ba ya omu si 3 bedrooms si ho no omu ja hokọ ya enjoto anda yirafo mu se ya akọkọ hwe ya niema go and check now you ho no mo say minister of finance be so 98% complete
yeah
anya me pa ebu ya bebie ama plane atutu akọ what ho no mo and we are talking about what the baba dream bia no waka.
I don't think it's fair. Because I don't think that is a bit harsh. Marty, very good.
And you know, when we talk of education and education infrastructures, even the access to free senior high school, krampo no yade ase ye bo president Kufuor aba so ho the access and now obetimi kurom biem so obetimi kurom adansa ya aboadi obetimi kurom abeswa poku kurom mentukwa mmofra ahwerewam
mentukwa na wo ho
yes
What's di na say wo chire pa
wo mi haye
okay
obetimi kurom ho no mo enne ono no wanya disadel ko wanya achimote ko wanya prempa aba na ka satan na ye say ye num disade benya bia kwa na enne ye nkura ni nyina ko mu wia masia be gina radio so former president mama be gina radio so egu school fo nkora animu ase egu teacher fo animu ase se BC na SSC no mkokọ twere ye no nkora na antimi antwere omu wiam teacher fo no kọ kyere nkora no ekeka chese ke kansem wansem fata batu ni bibi ade ampese me nua te ase ne say it's not about how much you raise your voice. It's about the fact, the substance that you give to the people. That's what it is about. The other people are mindful. The other catch on my material. No. Because with him, there be a make say, the tia cano. 98% of people who are listening to us, they know what we are saying more than what we are talking about. They assess. Assembly abekabian they assess. Etie wia ni esi fomu a. Bo sa amanfo timi frɛ. Anasa wotu a woka say amanfo emma woka assembly obitimi amanfo tie yei. We have professors, we have doctors, we have lecturers, we have other lawyers or mutia woka assembly do bia type bia ma. Na ye ne sere no wo sere. I have that sort of messages here. Assembly one ma woka ya professor bia type bia ma me ne sere. What you say? So let's tell the people what we have done. Metimi akacha wo say. Ukọ ihe ya da ma he ya President Kufuor when is he?
Senior high school.
Yes, when is he?
Yeah.
So we must be focused. Yan ka de yan kire o manfo no. Eno ni ade a me nua ndisifo ntimi nye. Let's tell the people what we have done. Me say me solid no say ya Kumase metimi aka say Kumase International Airport is ya metimi de me nsa kire so akire Kumase fo say mom yan hwa so nya dai ento aba metimi aka kire Kumase fo say a lot of mantamu kwan bebrebe wo hono a asphalt overlay na ya dai akoso mom yan hwa so nya dai ento aba metimi de me nsa kire so metimi aka kire Ghana fo say President Kufuor Adubaye no the whole Ghana in the Fourth Republic president was secret to die pa President Kufuor.
It's true.
Meti aga Ghana for say mo hwa so nto aba and na mimi krom ayipoku krom ho wunya asem wo poku krom a wo mesiri makuma se and they are court to siwo na ga yan yesa ni hwan and go and check agenda 111 when you asema me ka che Ghana for me wo bibia be dem nse asiso kwadi dwama kokkohwe agenda 111 ni nyina roof ya hyase a yekoso omu ye roof no wire nso so ya dan ekoso ko sabronum kokko cheke kokkohwe ne ma ekoso sabronum hospital ka sie eno so 98% enkodru by best May ni a commission. Eno ne me ade amede me nsa kire so akire me nuan mu a wo mo hafo no southeast etu candidate no wo hafo no southeast no manifa ni nsa ko kire bibi so former president mama besi ma yan expansion of St. Edward's Hospital hafo no southeast wo fo no nsa ko kire so bibi so me ya hunu enne so ba hafo no southeast akura bia say osi and schools and the trees and the gratitude from have for southeast me I can say it on authority say akura bia ni have for southeast omra ni fa kamera ni akiri akura bia ni have for southeast what from esuade de akura bia ni ho within 2 years we have provided 2,200 dual desks for the people there. We can call the education director to confirm. when you are there me dem say just what try for Southeast for so amon hwa so nto aba rural electrification into tem pokuase amwaku krom edu krom domi abra nyame ba kire when ni ba bia me dem say kwa kire
omanya nkane
yes when ba bia me dem say kwa kire 84 kwa kire baabi e wa for Southeast apuna proso bokuruwa omanya chip compound health access na ayamra ma wo mo. This is what I am going to show them. So tell your candidate who is at for Southeast day one so mra no for this make kire bibia mama ba odin sa ba so no hwa so nto aba
one see me wrap up
when you are kwa ho asem me dem say kwa kire so say me buy as a DC I've given the people there our nursing training tertiary education not less than 35 of them scholarship me dem say kwa tina so me dem say kwa church so graphic in report I can give you and you show it scholarship wa former current city MP honorable Fasina Manu Adabo or the people are for the Southeast when you DC da e wa for the Southeast omran for the same chire ono so ba ye no enkra wotua mu school fees so no mo hweso nto aba omra no fa the same chire so ekro bia light wo bia no we have been able to make sure say light ya fix street light ya be po bia bi wo so catch your candidate no have for the Southeast ni say omra na se wato bob ba ku mpo sei a hye kro timu abeso nzo na ote wo no wato bob ba ku pe sei e dia kwa hye wo no ma on ka no mo hweso nto aba ma no.
All right, honorable, so mama Kokuma Mintio.
Omanhene.
Yes, my brother.
Say papa ini nsem na waka na ankasa no ma hu ba bi etiri kusie. You see finally odi baby half no south east me DC.
No, by the end of the day say I don't want to know.
Say half no south east. Omanhene metimi abie say book we me dey akere oda. DC bia na adwuma wo ye metimi abie ho. Ono anhwe mo be hu de but minya time I will go into it and talk about it. Unim. Na minim so o ka se betwa ntro. Me betena de besi bitirim bia na maka. See, that was an indictment on your show. Now, it's unfortunate he said that. No.
I have dealt with it, don't go
ahead. He cannot even say, Omanhene nim.
I drew his attention. Hello. I drew his attention, he drew back, and he has continued. Let's move on. Let's move on.
Also, and you call 4 pence was assembly and some more do pan or can.
Let's go on that tangent.
No, Omanhene, that is a palpable lie. That is a blatant lie. And also, want to me cry and can't cross or can't assembly.
One gas Momo almost say money or pimp so quite na Momo say.
Why it's easy for me to say, sit here and say, almost say, an MPP for say. Yeah, debate, sir.
Me too.
Why not say? Be specific. Who said it? No, my mom said, "On can so be team and no one and can cre. Why no boni trima cancel? What cancel? I want me for dance yama 1 million kolana me say. Or more active your money access to you. Or mine have sent you the evidence. It was published by CTFM online. CTFM Nyamedia.
I was there to watch research.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I have research by a credible institution. And I'm they say so be a kasa munti. Some institutions, it's headed by professors like they will say or send you a message, So it's headed by professors. In fact, if you are professors or we are cuckoo damn child, you also test to message. Omanhene, also Institute of Local Government, or maybe school.
Yeah, the president mentions this. Local government.
Website, it was established in 2003.
2003.
Institute of Local Government, Science Institute, no. And your university, maybe more your face.
Now it's a
what
university. What
I am saying is that they said you can university. Maybe your mako see to say Boakye campus. Maybe your mako see to say Ebiwo Techimai and your mako see Biwo Sunyane.
But we're a fully fledged university.
What I am saying is that that institute has existed. It was established under President Kufuor in 2003.
So now they are building a branch.
Branch now extended because
a new campus.
Yes.
or maybe perhaps you say you my DC for any assembly members no access to what you say. Then he has to be about cry near fair. But it is not a new. Me say it is not. Go to their own website. That institution itself has a central website, and it will tell you we were established in 2003. But I will credit President Gufo for that. No,
but where are you crazy?
I chrono where we are investing on.
The university, official university.
What I'm saying is that
the university at Offenso and another in the state of the national local government university.
Maintain that Omanhene Yaw. Oh, the minimum say
producer get the correct name for me.
And as a tenra,
of MPDFS Collins in team.
No problem. What I
know in the city and I buy no.
Can say the minimum on Wakra or any submission or see Institute of Local Government. Omanhene Yaw no kind.
Yeah, take local government.
I don't know. Me say Uko Institute of Local Government site. Almost say it was established in 2003. Contradict me on that.
Go ahead.
In the absence of any superior argument, me feel say I was let me proceed.
Go ahead.
Number 2, Omanhene, I have sent you evidence. I want the annual debt management report 2016. Omanhene must be send you. I want who say KJTR project phase 2, which is the central market project. No, ya listing you. Omanhene, on top of that, Nikita way a finance committee report. Opani Honorable Hebi way a parliament document. And it was signed by Dr. Mark Asibeyeboa. That time, one and the chairman of the finance committee report. Open ready.
Kowase.
Omanhene. UBS akrata no naso oko background on page 2. Any, or say the government of the Republic of Ghana acting through the local government. Acting through the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, signed an EPC contract with Contratar Engineeria Limited, Brazil in 2014 to undertake the redevelopment and modernization of the Kumasi Central Market and KJTR project in 3 phases. Where krata at that parliament, acknowledge say NDC Abanjo Mama in 2014, Omanhene Guono in 2014. Mame fama on that.
Maybe all your Kosobi Yahweh. Go ahead.
Anything I name one say all
but the contract, Sikane free, this very central market, you know, the money is from UK, right?
What I am even saying is that document now they are sending a signed by Kenoforiata. Opa message you full document.
Yes.
Or they call what is contained in it, or say, listen, appendix number the amount. A loans contracted in 2016 before.
Yeah.
And the loans contracted in 2016, Kumasi Central Market feature and feature. It is a Kenoforiata and him saying NDC Nigeria or the same. Messi, the annual, it is signed by Kenoforiata. Number 2, Kumasi Airport, no, see, Obia send the message, professors, and one send the message, say, oh, Professor Omra, no, my kind why. Catches me, professor. Many doctor, but as a 4J, I will educate that so-called professor. Maybe you are lying, but if the professor thinks he's he's a better communicator than you, Manimetra. I put for the crati. I'm in debate tonight. My mentia say professor. Massa, wait, Omanhene, parliamentary memorandum submitted by the Honorable Finance Minister Omanhene Hebi, where Kenoforiata and the core parliament on Kumasi Airport phase 2. Make can be actual. Next time we repeat it, bio semona moye. Who read it? Bana
moji loan.
Any loan as what they see. You
can't take it away from them.
So Omanhene kra, Omanhene. What kra?
As a 4J. As a 4J. There are contracts that were positioned by J. Kufua.
Of course,
what is wrong?
You said the credit. Me matra when him debia. I can say Eurojet project. If there is any glory to be shared,
that's right.
If there is such a contract, as a 4J is not that communicator who come and sit here and lie.
Interchange. Several contracting loan.
Of course, anything you say, if
at the end of the day,
we are talking about what project is whose brainchild. Why in the chassis? Because we are talking about vision, we are talking about Omanhene and Iswadu. So, in a camera example, say, if you are here as a manager, no what can I say? there be council we more efficiency. No what crack council be baby. And for some reason when you're emergency, so you quit your job. Now so obi ba na council na ba na juma doesn't mean only an achievement. The person who sat down, woke up midnight, thought through, said Sompa say be yeah, me hear this modern council.
Onya adwene no.
And yes, onya. But you see, the point is that now I cry. She can't buy. It is a tema interchange. Remember who document who need them and kasa abra me.
Tema interchange, you know.
Yes.
Now my contracting loans, no.
You see, I can even tell you say in the contract document, omo kasa timelines, no. Way 2014.
But you know, government is continuing.
That is why they have to give us the credit. Because you say Jomama, loan now say Majahoko. They were voted out. If we were in power, like you are saying,
Kasikana beba.
So the fact say, bana one kasa, and you see where your documents submitted in Parliament in 2018 under their own government, and Ken Oforiatta was honest enough to go and tell Parliament say, background or say it will be recorded that Cabinet and Parliament of Ghana granted approval in 2016 for the development of Kumasi International Airport Phase 2. This is Ken Oforiatta.
But I don't think MPP has disputed the fact that loan was not contracted by you.
Yeah, who say the first phase na $29 million, no. Okay. I declare tarmac, aeronautical ground lighting systems, added to landing machines, a DBA plant. Second phase, no number to us or more a third phase. So Akufo-Addo will be credited with the third phase. Even if year 2 and this year, no Luswa, they will still be credited. If you are no more, they will still be credited with the third phase.
That's right.
Yeah, mama can say, yeah.
But mama credit, Simon, I'm loan.
And I was specific. Me say phase 1, phase 2, they cannot take credit. And on no say, or try and throw class. I say, yeah, swap F out him. So call and
on Casamon, fire.
What's he saying?
Or say. Omo ekwa cut sword omo de opim so cut sword no and na NDC for say
NDC ni ben
omo de opim so akọ ensu bibia free ma
Omanhene me say enya
that was the statement.
And I'm saying say airport no esi wo sa no phase 1 phase 2 NDC achievement no debate nothing phase 3 President Akufo-Addo's achievement and to say my example baako Tema Akoso Mo Mpakadan railway project. Yen started the Tema Akoso Mo railway project. President Akufo-Addo buy the same contractor, everything, and or lobby for an extension to Mpakadan. So Tema Akoso Mo NDC, Akoso Mo Mpakadan. Akufo-Addo. They make our tell. I've seen the contract document. So I will not sit here and say Tema Akoso Mo Mpakadan ni nyinaye under NDC just because we started Tema Akoso Mo. And Tema Akoso Mo is about 84 kilometers. Ni nyina wo mitiri ma hu. Omanhene eti me sre no. Unfortunately say one intervene it is words bi wa me use but can words
have to use words.
Can words
hold it for me na me jamra sisia. Oti African Rural Bank ton safro sebra. Na ene wo medi dwa na your rural bank savior ene oti asikai say current savings account or G4 infant trust fixed deposit salary loans salary advance CBA oyo djuma new person oji kakra hwe ho de hwe akire oti asikan fast track loans ultimately ko you niema quickly we kuani ye wo bosia wo homa we ayie na ato ofie bra no ntrase ope bodua sika kakra de ahye wa djuma ana sika kasie bia eye commercial loan money transfers ahodo nyina ebi ye wo kofiase your number is 0504 842957 0504842957 Diamond Diagnostic and Treatment Center Electoral fibroid and I be show no man just a doctor see fibroid now the onam na udi wrong wasa for him menya fibroid da be enya yarepa kan ko betime si wa wo de ho kwan bomodin ovariances and say kosiano ensuo na beje na ho nyina moa e ba wo ho sema Diamond Diagnostic and Treatment Center alternative medicine specialist wo liver home sema ebeboa kidney prostate enlargement diabetes hypertension ulcer comfort goiter and Parkinson won say so no Dr. Joshua Asante ne Dr. Marina from Europe and Akabomo is Legon Yene Legon University Sports Stadium di hwanimu Kumasi TUC Junction Santasi roundabout obohu ye ho 0241677506 0241677506 0243176119 0243 1761199. Kenging energy drinking water. And sucrochi. And hydrogen rich minerals like calcium, magnesium. But your mommy me jaga crabra is here. Ono ka nof. Owa dujama. Potassium, sun running in a womb. Onum Kenging energy drinking water. Be the dance so one super. Now, Bomodina copy Ewa Breman UGC Tafuni Road, Abawa route to Honoma. Ofrea, maybe I will be at the bebro, will live a new kidney, no heart, near me, munina. No, if you drink energy, Kenging energy drink water, bohu by pa 0241 449191 0241 449191 and 0507 379474 0507 379474 3A Herbal Center. Yeah, the Cocoa Masanaba 3A Cocoa Capsules. Now, Modena, waste space, pals. Boabu de Munibu Koma Mammy Nimija. That's it. Constipation. I did do Jamaho. Why are they?
District. MPP by no match district. Eno mama adujama be a content crow. First name and a man can soon. Ella
Dujama Hono,
Nim Sasuntino. Was a mere book. What I'm saying, Master,
I have found Southwest, the same
East. So what you say?
MPP fire near Swami East. No one casa.
Yes, I crack already. I creative from now.
Well, 2016. 2018. And you are combo. Hello. But 3 Echo capsules, the cocoa master. Waste space in your pile so that constipation in your be free. But so could just now pay cocoa drew there. And 3 Echo capsules, for 0546 107 107. Canada digital satellite. Yeah, the fridges, Papa TVC, Papa. Yeah, the 70-inch up to 75. Satellite and a curved TV saba, chest freezer, deep freezers, air conditioner, fufu pounding machine, sewing machines, popcorn machines, and air washing machine. Nina no obenya bi o Kennedy that and can wager Kokrobite Junction traffic light na see Edum First Plaza building the first floor Boss FM and Chain Adam House first floor Patasi for 0244385128 0244385128 na ye koya ni ma no Dimpa Natural Health say osa pa na how dey for ni kire ho e wo second floor Wallace Towers di chem so na ekoje wa yaresa 0245118434 0245 118434 0246 44 744 744 0246 744 744. Said Dr. Siwanya Peptic Gastric Deodona Get Acid and H. pylori Moano Wabuano Timi Trim when you to me Brewota Wona Ase Bibi Saumrim Wakuma Bo Peri what 3 year we year to 2 Nina no ya also ko yes, New Z Natural Mineral Water Sukronia Bujunso Obini Blackman Company Limited Diabejasu. The New Z Natural Mineral Water. Ebe wow. Ama wanu musukroche. Afe Bremen Westbrook to Jackson ho obehuyen. Wako to hima wo ho. Samsung Atomic Ashoma Kwanso obeto ye wo ho enkan. Matt Roberts obehuyen 0244620294 0244620294 ainum super time heba Mr. A 3D ya de malaria fever no o didi a wonte de afi honam tutu unya time herbal mixture ebetu ase time HH herbal mixture and capsules for the general well-being of your body and my immune system no ejina super matimi kon yade nyina free 0244 417669 0244 417669 aiming scientific I stroke fertility sem fabe die yebe boaw you 20 different certified medication. Ebia hwe yade ahodo. Na you MRI machine, the highest form of MRI. You do rema ebetima diagnose na sa kire dread ma ho beto nipa nya o ma yarehwe eji ayaresa ewo amen scientific na obehu ya wa atwema tachiman kwada so kwan so atwema tachiman anase race course nhwanimu ewo kajetia 0277 001234 0277 001234 and 0241 367 341 Provident Insurance and Ade ba ko abetima ye ababoa wa ban say oba insure car with Provident Insurance Company. Now ya ekokwantia waso. Oba ya ase send no WhatsApp. Oba ya number no ye 0200 234 806. 0200 234 806. O send in WhatsApp oba ya ababoa mo insure abra won ko sra no kra o manage. You are covered. On which the no akataso. Pomodina Provident Insurance Company Limited. Man, you are covered. Chat Obaya and get your vehicle insured now on Provident Insurance. So test Obaya, bebia. No bibia koye 0200 234 806. And when he has obako, bebia and also koye. Afe Boris B chicken. Your rich chicken announce you te. Your broilers, your layers. Eye halal we cremonia we be ka hoy na kodje chicken full chicken 1.6 kilogram to 1.2 ye wo ne sre ye wo na tabu ye wo ne bo ye wo na taso chese enam biara efa akokọ no a yesusu ye fi akokọ aheya de ye wo mo ye wie ya na chese ye ku wo mo na ye de amount 05444453 Boris B chicken near Koyanim. Mammy shall bet this cookie na Miss Amimra Bidja for normal wrapping up my Tony Sack Electronics, TVs, fridges, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwave, rice cookers, blenders, Nina property electronics. Yes, sir, warranty demand. And to what you can be rest assured say what a quality. Hey, open chest freezer, deep freezers. Omo the TVs are back up to 75 inches. Na no sa no the home theater no see as na football about to pum. Sound so atim say what quality sound. Obo we wa Karam kwantim pom ho no mo adum. Samson na new Melcom. Kumase dan kese na ni ndi hwanimu property showroom ho. Karam kwantim pom ha. Samson na kopie mo sunya na cocoa board runabout. Ye wo ho no mo. Afei Depo Kasian so Ewa Spinkters. Fred 0500309309 0500309309. And nay David Asante, aka Davido, the birthday. Nay the birthday. Afe grand happy birthday to Ramat Granda. Hey. Ramat Granda, happy birthday. Why? Afe to my husband Samuel Sefojo of Samford Phones, Accra. From your wife, Nanaya Boakye. Okay, someone said for you, happy birthday. Mr. Frank J. Dakun, A.K. Action of Asukwa. From your wife, Paulina Mino. Okay, that is what I have here. Yakubu Soga, a doctor at 21st Clinic, Brekum Branch. Yakubu Soga, today is your birthday. And a happy birthday to Mr. Awal Mohammed from Ojamboama. Mr. Awal Mohammed. Ojamboama Soma Trinkwa. Elizabeth Nanama Gina of Ebenezer Preparatory School. From your mother, Alberta, a nurse at 21st Clinic, Gosso. And then Chelsea. Happy birthday to Chelsea Nyako Abeye. Papa Safo Ewo Abriche USA to be precise, Maryland also Mautinkwa. Ono mame Irene Safo Munina Mautinkwa. Honorable, in a minute and a half, wrap up for me. Then I'll catch up to an the
America Ade Akye Anasama Ghana for United say, especially me Mahafa no Southeast for. And they say Omomi nyina yenhwe eni ye pa bia wa hafo no Southeast bia no ye NPP na ye eni ye pa bia e wa hafo no Southeast bia no NPP na ye na maka tro ma mati ase se omunyi nyankopon ni no omunyi NPP aman susu ni ni ye papi bebre wa NPP mu se nye sa me wana botoma so ansan ka metra kan tro mo se umedi machi ye nyina ye nko NPP na se kokoduru ho no mu an ye pa na ye ho no omuso nya biedi ni ye pa bebre 1 pp mu into ombra mienko na hafa no southeast ebekora nimu a NPP ebesi a NPP na nyame boa nso so na 7 December no eduru ho no ma ye nyame pay free be next 2 months ko ye be hya ya bontoa ye ne ye PC Frederick Champon ye be bontoa ni yakọ ikuru bia so akọ keka ni ya kire wo mu nia ya ye e di ama wo mu ekuru a hafa no statistics wo nkuru mako 143
eish
edoso
quickly last one
140 penses bi buaka se de wonya ahwe mfran PP ho kura mpo no enye nsuo
okay
ye be kone de nsa ko cheche ni nyina so enjomo ba ne ye kwa ndc form candidate ni mra ye de nsa kire so no so ye be ma fo nsa kire bi so
agwa za poje
Omanhene ene Google Adaroma board district bia utimi hu nkura e wonase
that's right
say no nim so de be bitimi but me hwa ade no me hu bebi Omanhene
yeah
okwadu jama ye fre kuro bi kunsu ya ye health center health center
we dim the answer e ko bo nyina anya me district o eni bi
kunsu is under Hafuano South East
kunsu ya Hafuano South West jai
Hafuano South
me say
east
ma men ka asem to unim me sanso call Ministry of Local Government
no osi kunsu or east or west
na do mo amutie no mo nim ba kunsu wo
me DC you know me tell say
no DC is or east
okay domi abra we
domi abra no eye to mienu
wa hu you see Omanhene me say on person
domi abra no de no we
me de no wo sabonu
okay do de ne dey domi abra wo de ne
Hafuano South East
enya no we
Omanhene woni nipa no ADC
Here no ni Hafuano
please
ba no wie
Omanhene ma throw the person way
koso domi abra
ya ye market center e wo domi abra Omanhene wo de no san to wa pokukrum ya ye police station area
pokukrum dey say won ho
and American so see any one cry but me can ye rehabilitate police station na wo Omanhene okwadu jama proper na ya ye 3 classroom block with office and staff common room e dey amom Omanhene ebiem wo san so ko ahwerewam
ho na achifri
good yeah a 4 unit classroom block with office and a store room for them Omanhene wo san ko insuta so yeah a craft shed
yeah mutumi eye
e dey amom
manu si ma
Omanhene me dem anu si poku